I'm really delighted to finalize the installation of Tistis, the solo exhibition by Aki+Arnaud Cooren, our very first exhibition since the end of lockdown in London. We are really thrilled to present these works, which are combining in a beautiful way the fluidity of fabric with the permanence of aluminium plates.
Welcome to the London Gallery space. What you're witnessing here is the installation and construction of Aki+Arnaud's Tistis show. What you're seeing is we're currently protecting the floor ahead of our installing a Japanese garden scenography for the show.
When we prepare for an exhibition, we work with the artists very closely to make sure that their works are represented in the way that they see fit. With the two artists being a Japanese and French duo, it made sense to recreate a little bit of Japan. We used a beautiful viewing platform to play the yin and the yang from the inside and the outside, which is called ingawa in Japanese. And it allows us to reflect from piece to piece as we walk through the exhibition.
The walkway consists of 280 planks of wood and a little under 2,000 screws. This is the big day. We are laying all the sand for the show. We have 4 guys bringing up approximately 6 tons worth of sand in 25 kilo bags. This is around 240 bags. So I'm busy.
It was a very interesting challenge to get 6 tons of sand up to the first floor in Mayfair. But I really think that the pieces really spoke for themselves and were highlighted in this very tranquil environment.
We're on to the last day of the build now. We are bringing in the pieces. The build took a lot of planning, but it's the most rewarding show. It's one of the coolest and most adventurous shows we've ever done in the London Gallery. Please come by to the London Gallery and enjoy the show.